Alright, so this is the Itel P55 5G. We all know Itel to be a budget smartphone company, but have you ever thought of a budget 5G smartphone before? Now, Itel didn't just make the first 5G smartphone, but the first cheapest 5G smartphone, and that is the Itel P55 5G. And with that being said, let's talk about the Itel P55 5G. Hey guys, it's Dominion Audua here. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. And with that being said, let's dissect the Itel P55 5G. The Itel P55 5G goes for around 138,200 Nigerian Naira, or about 120 US dollars. When making a budget smartphone, you've got to cut some corners to make it or to keep it affordable. And the most noticeable cut corner Itel made on the P55 5G is obviously the notch. Okay, that's not really a big thing because even Samsung device way above 200,000 Naira still do have a notch. I wouldn't mention any though. The Itel P55 5G runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 6nm chipset with an 8-core processor, and that makes it hands down the best smartphone I can recommend from Itel. And I would actually say this is the best smartphone Itel have made, or the best smartphone from Itel that has impressed me. Yeah, it comes in with 6GB of RAM and up to 6GB of virtual RAM included, which makes it 12GB of RAM on the device. That's massive if you ask me. And that is to say, games would run smoother on here. Background apps would also be retained longer or for a longer period of time, and by that I mean an open application on the Itel P55 5G would be retained open or will stay open for a longer period of time without restarting the app or without closing that actual application. Multitasking would also be smoother, and the whole smartphone experience would be kind of smooth, as I said earlier, and would be efficient if you ask me. The rear side features a 50 megapixels main camera, while on the front there is a single 8 megapixel selfie camera. The Itel P55 5G is fueled with a 5000 mAh cell or battery, as you all know, including an 18 watts wired charging or charger. That is my review on the Itel P55 5G. Let me know what you think about the Itel P55 5G in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, commenting, and also sharing this particular video. Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year in advance. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.